Good morning. It's my pleasure to deliver the welcome address for Avini DesignCon 2019, co-hosted by TiE Kerala, Avini Institute of Design, along with IIID and Design Ashram. This is first of its kind multidisciplinary design conference, and the conference intends to reiterate the importance of design in our daily life and how the design can inspire positive changes in our society and why design is important for a resilient community. We have been going through lots of conferences, very concentrated on certain professions like architecture, interior design, but right now I think it's high time we understand design as a larger profession which has direct impacts to our life, and I hope this is a beginning. And there's been many initiatives like this by TiE Kerala, and this time there has been agriculture conferences, there has been women in business conference, and this is the design conference. And when it comes to the design conference, it was so natural that Calicut was selected as the venue and Avini Institute of Design as the host. There has been many initiatives like this very venue itself, Karaparamba School, and so many other public initiatives that connected the design community in Calicut to the society. Right now, let me get into the duty itself to welcome you all. The inauguration is done by our very own Shanthi. Shanthi ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. Shanthi നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയുന്ന ഒരു ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റാണ്. നമുക്ക് വളരെ ഒരു വലിയൊരു ഭാഗ്യം കഴിഞ്ഞ മുമ്പത്തെ കൊല്ലം ഉണ്ടായി. Shanthi ഒരു കൊച്ചു ഗാലറിയും ഒരു കൊച്ചു വീടും ആർക്കിടെക്ട്സിൻ്റെ വകയായി നമുക്ക് ഡിസൈൻ ചെയ്യാനും അതിൽ ശാന്തിയുടെ ഭാവനയിൽ വീണ്ടും വർണ്ണങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവാനുള്ള സാഹചര്യം ഉണ്ടായി. ശാന്തിയെ നമ്മുടെ ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ളൊരു ഡിസൈൻ കോൺഫറൻസ് ഇനോഗ്രേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഭാഗ്യവാന്മാരാണ്. ശാന്തിയെ ഞാൻ ആർദ്രമായി ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. The presidential address for this inaugural function is given by Sri M.S.A. Kumar, who is the president of TiE Kerala, and I welcome you, sir, to this function. We have Architect S. Gopalkumar, Vice President of TiE Kerala. We have Ajit Moopan, President Designate of TiE Kerala, and other dignitaries of TiE Kerala here to attend this event. I welcome you all. In the next 2 days, we are here to witness a gallery of talks given by some of the best artists, architects, designers, and professionals across the nation who will inspire the entire Calicut, especially the younger generation. We have our speakers, Manu Pillai, Rega Rodwitia, Alicia D'Souza, George Simon, and also our workshop conducted by Riaz Komu, who will be conducting a workshop for the students in this inaugural function, and I welcome you all to this function and the event. We are really looking forward for your talk. And we have Dr. Anuradha Chatterjee, who will be addressing the gathering along in the inaugural function, who is the Dean of Avini Institute of Design. I welcome him for this function. And I welcome my co-governing council members, Architect Tony Joseph, Architect Vinod Sirek, the convener, Architect Brijesh Shaijal, and all my Naufal, IIID, representing IIID Kerala, and all my team members of DesignCon to this conference. And after all, the one who make the conference success is our delegates who have come from across Kerala, across India to make this event a grand success. And I'm very proud to say that we have crossed more than our seat capacity for the registration, and that is, we have almost 500 delegates who will be attending this event at different talks and different seminars. And I welcome you all to this gathering, and let's hope the conference will be beginning of a new era of design in Calicut, in Kerala, and in our society. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and we are very happy to be here in front of such a large gathering. the whole idea started as a very small thing. I remember Tony coming to my office and we sat together, and my idea was basically, my daughter is an architect. She's a practicing architect in Bangalore, and I am her angel investor in terms of whenever she needs money, she asks me and I used to invest. Having said this, one day we are just going through and I asked, Mole, where is your cash flow? She told, Dad, what is that? So then I decided it's time that TiE, I won't say we have nothing to do with architects or creativity or design, we facilitate entrepreneurship. So then I talked to Goban, I talked to Tony, I told, let's have a workshop for architects and let's call it Archipreneur. So then, as usual, Tony told me, look, in Malayalam, if I say, ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ കോഴിക്കോടുകാരൊക്കെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഈ ചെറുതായിട്ടൊന്നും ചെയ്യില്ല കുമാർ. ഞങ്ങളെപ്പോഴും വലുതായിട്ടുള്ള ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. For our friends and don't know Malayalam, what Tony told is that if you do anything in Calicut, we'll do it big. We don't do it small. So I can see that here in terms of the response to this great design event. And TiE is very happy to be associated with Avani and other co-hosts. And yesterday evening I came to just give moral support. It's like for a wedding, the girls' party does everything. The boys' party walks in the morning, and we are given a very ceremonious welcome. So that's what TiE is getting here today. So thanks again for giving us a groom's party status for such a big event. So it has been real great thing. So thank you and congratulations, and I'm sure we are going to have a great event as we can see. Now, having said this, just few words about TiE. I think Roshan has told me to speak for 5 minutes, and I have this weakness of speaking for too long when mic comes to my hand, but I will curtail myself. So basically the point here is, when TiE looked at it, let's accept it, we are Kochi based. We have a pan-Kerala presence, but if you really look at activities in terms of industrial activity or entrepreneurial activity is going to happen, it is going to happen more in North Kerala. That's very clear. You see, not that Kochi or Trivandrum is saturated, but the new activities, I'm sure all of you know, Kannur has got an incubator for startups, which has got large numbers, unbelievable numbers. I don't remember the number offhand. So it's all happening in North Kerala. I'm not saying this because, especially Calicut being the hub, Calicut being the entry to North Kerala, and Calicut is very lovely, nice people. Calicut people are known for their hospitality and welcome. I'm not saying this because my wife is sitting in the audience and I am from Palakkad and she is from Calicut, but still, okay. So having said this, I think this is a right opportunity for TiE Kerala to be part of the ecosystem when North Kerala is going to take major growth. Kannur Airport is going to change the face of this North Kerala. It's already happening. So we are very happy to be part of it. Just few things about TiE. Many of you know TiE is a global organization. It's not for profit. Our only mandate, and let me tell you, the only mandate is fostering entrepreneurship. Today in TiE Kerala, we have 75 charter members. Let me tell you, in Calicut, we want to expand our footprint. In Calicut, we have Tony is there, Anand Mani is there, Roshan Kainadi is there, Naushad of VKC is there. Did I miss anyone? I think that's it. So we have all over Kerala 75 charter members who is who of the business landscape. So we foster entrepreneurship, we support the ecosystem, we do pro bono mentoring of people, we create networking platforms, like we have one coming up next week, Saturday in Cochin, Friday and Saturday, which is called the TiECon, where we get about 1,000 to 1,200 participants with speakers from different areas. So this, as Roshan mentioned, this is a prelude. This is a mini-con to the major event called TiECon. So that's where it is. TiE has worldwide about 62 chapters, and Kerala chapter is one of the chapters. We work as independent entities. We are not controlled by TiE Global, which works from Silicon Valley, but we have certain protocols to work within that system, and we use the TiE paraphernalia and TiE brand and all that with certain defined guidelines for usage. I won't talk much. I will show you a quick video of what TiE Kerala is all about. And I again thank Avani Institute of Design and the whole set of architects here, and especially Brijesh, with whom I used to coordinate, has been a great source of support and strength. we definitely feel like a boys' party, and I hope we have a good sadhya for the Kalyanam, Calicut Sadhya. So we look forward to that. Please play the video, Thai Kerala video.
Entrepreneurial ecosystem in Kerala, where IT, precision manufacturing, infrastructure, and technology have huge potential. TiE Kerala has an impressive growth over the last 14 years with 62 charter members and 700 members. Mr. M.S.A. Kumar, a visionary business leader, took over as the president of TiE Kerala on 1st April 2018. During the year 2017 to 2018, TiE Kerala conducted over 50 programs, including monthly dinner meets, CPC, mentoring clinics, SIG workshops, joint events with Government of Kerala, KSIDC, Vilgrow, NASCOM, Startup Mission, and many more under the leadership of its former president, Mr. Rajesh Nair. The aim is to promote entrepreneurship in the state through mentoring, networking, education, incubating, and funding.
We have become something like a go-to agency in the state when it comes to policies related to startups and entrepreneurship.
TiE Kerala joined hands with Department of Industries, Government of Kerala, and conducted the Young Entrepreneur Summit, yes, exclusively for the students and young entrepreneurs. TiE Kerala conducts seminars for SMEs, student entrepreneurs, women entrepreneurs, and agri-based industries regularly. TiE Kerala has opened KP Paul Training Center to give training to startups and support the young business community. The annual flagship event, TiECon, is Kerala's largest entrepreneurial program and is on the state's business calendar every year. These 2 days, around 1,500 delegates from India and abroad, comprising of a large number of entrepreneurs, industry leaders, decision makers, startup entrepreneurs, and student entrepreneurs will meet here. TiE Kerala has a track record of consistent performance for the last 15 years of its existence. Chapter Best Practices Award 2010, Most Innovative Program 2011 for India International Agri Expo, TiE Global Annual Award for Most Effective Leadership Transition in 2012, TiE Global Chairman's Award for the Best Chapter in 2013, finalist for TiE Global Award categories and Best Contribution to Youth Entrepreneurship in 2014, finalist for TiE Global Award for Best Chapter in 2014, TiE Global Best Executive Director Award in 2014, TiE Global Best Contribution to Youth Entrepreneurship Award in 2015, TiE Global Chairman's Award for the Best Executive Director in 2016. 2017 to 2018, the year under review, TiE Kerala has been able to conduct highly impactful youth-oriented programs and events, creating an impetus for the faster growth of the emerging startup ecosystem in Kerala, and it deserves to be considered for the Best Support for Youth Entrepreneurs Award. During the year 2017 to 2018, TiE Kerala had conducted about 20 highly impactful youth-oriented programs. A workshop on Google Cloud and latest machine learning offerings from Google, jointly conducted with NASCOM and Google, a monthly speaker series jointly with Vilgrow Innovations Foundation for young entrepreneurs. TiE Kerala partnered with Kerala Startup Mission for a flagship program, Seeding Kerala, for young entrepreneurs in the state.
We had a lot of focus on youth entrepreneurship. We also had a very collaborative approach with various other organizations like Conference of Indian Industry and Kerala Management Association and a lot of incubators across the state.
Kerala Angel Network, CAN, an initiative from TiE Kerala, is in process of giving funding assistance to entrepreneurs. Another remarkable and widely appreciated initiative on TiECon 2017 was the Failure Labs. Failure Lab is a distinct feature where startups who had encountered failure share their experiences. TiECon Kerala 2017 also witnessed Crowd Pitch, a unique live startup pitch session. Our performance during the period under review has been impressive and well balanced, and it deserves to be considered for the Best Chapter Award.
Collective effort of the TiE family. It was only with the support, the guidance by the CMs and the members of TiE that we have been able to achieve. I thank the whole community of TiE, the ecosystem of Kerala.
Thank you. Only two more points before I hand over to the MC. One is that as a part of TIE's initiative of supporting the startup ecosystem, we have mentoring master classes happening in the library. Is it called the library hall, Brijesh? Library hall. We have limited the seat to 60. I think we already come to 45. So if anybody more is interested in joining, please register there. This is taking 5 classes in terms of how you can become an industry influencer from a budding architect using social media. Second subject is in terms of basic finances. This is what my daughter told. I mean, when I asked about cash flow. So there is one of our charter members, Roy. He is taking the morning flight and coming from Trivandrum. So he is going to take a class on basic finance, the regulatory environment, GSTs, because my daughter told recently one of her architectural practice friends was slapped with a notice of 15 lakhs by the GST officials, and she has to leave the business because she didn't know certain procedures, there were violations. Then we have how to price your services, products and services. There is another class. And then how to build a right organization structure and how to build a winning team. That's the fourth one. And the fifth one is, which actually inspired when I was taking a class like this. One of the girls stood up and asked, Mr. Kumar, can you tell me how I can find a partner? So she was marriageable age, so I was thinking that she has thought that I am doing some matrimony or something like that. But actually she asked how to find a founding partner. So that is the fifth MMC, so we have that. Second announcement is there is a TiECon 4th, 5th October registration counter there. Those people who have registered for this get a special discount of 25%. There is a counter down when you got registered. So please do join us. That is a mega event of TiE Kerala, which is TiECon, and this is a prelude to that. Thank you very much. Have a very productive day today. Thank you very much.
Now we'll be playing another short video, so kindly sit back and enjoy.
നായിനെയൊക്കെ വരയ്ക്കലുണ്ടേന്. അപ്പോൾ കുറച്ചായിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ സിമ്പിൾ ചെറിയ വരയാണ്, പക്ഷേ ഇതാ പ്രയാസമുള്ള വരയാണ്. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ വരകളാണ് അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ വരയ്ക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നു മനസ്സിന് കുറച്ചൊരു സംതൃപ്തി കിട്ടണം. കുറേ സംഘർഷങ്ങൾ വരച്ചിട്ടൊരു കാര്യമില്ല തോന്നി. മനസ്സിനെപ്പോഴൊരു ഇത് കിട്ടണം, ഒരു എനർജി, ഒരു പ്രത്യേക ഒരു ഇത്. പക്ഷെ വരച്ച് നോക്കും, പഴയ പലതും ചെയ്തു നോക്കും, പക്ഷെ അതൊന്നും എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടാന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. മാറ്റം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് കോഴ്സ് കഴിഞ്ഞതിൻ്റെ ശേഷം ഞാൻ വർക്കുകളൊന്നുമില്ല, രാഷ്ട്രീയത്തിലാണ്. അവിടെ നിന്നും കൊണ്ട് കുറേ പ്രവർത്തിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞതിന് ശേഷം എനിക്ക് പിന്നെ എൻ്റെ നിലപാട് പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നത് എന്തെങ്കിലും ചെയ്യാൻ എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ ചിത്രത്തിനോടുള്ള അഭിനിവേശം ഭയങ്കരമായിട്ടുണ്ട്. ചുറ്റുപാടുകൾ സ്വാധീനിക്കാറുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ചെറുതാകുമ്പോഴേ കാണണമല്ലോ. എനിക്കെൻ്റെ മനസ്സിൽ ഈ വെള്ളം, പുഴ, നമ്മളെ വീടിൻ്റെ ചുറ്റുപാട്, വെള്ളക്കെട്ടുകൾ സ്വാധീനിക്കാൻ ഞാനത് എനിക്കറിയൂല. പിന്നീട് അതിൻ്റെ ചിത്രത്തിൽ എങ്ങനെ വന്ന് എന്നുള്ളതിൻ്റെ സ്വാഭാവികമായിട്ട് വന്നതാണ്. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മളെ മനസ്സിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നിന്ന് എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് എനിക്ക് പറയാൻ പറ്റും. അങ്ങനെയാണിത് മണ്ണെടുത്ത് ഉയർത്തി വീടിൻ്റെ പ്ലാനൊക്കെ അതാ, പക്ഷേ ഇതിൻ്റെ മാതൃക അതൊക്കെ പിന്നെ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതാണ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ അത് ചെയ്തതിനെ കൊണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്കിപ്പോൾ ഒന്ന് നല്ല ഇതിൽ ജീവിക്കാം. ഒരു വെള്ളത്തിൽ നിന്ന് കഴിച്ചില്ലായിരുന്നു. എനിക്ക് ചെറിയ കുഞ്ഞി പൂക്കൾ, കുഞ്ഞി ചിത്രങ്ങൾ, ക്യാൻവാസ് വലുതായിരിക്കും, പക്ഷെ ആ ചിത്രത്തിൽ കാണുന്ന ചെറിയതാവാൻ മനസ്സിന് വല്ലാതൊരു ഇത് കിട്ടും.
കലയുടെ ശാന്തഭാവം. നമ്മുടെ ശാന്തയെടുത്തിയല്ലാതെ മറ്റാരെയാണ് നമുക്ക് വിശിഷ്ടാതിഥിയായി സങ്കല്പിക്കാൻ സാധിക്കുക? പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ശാന്തയെടുത്തിയെ ഭദ്രദീപം കൊളുത്തി ഈ ചടങ്ങ് ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യുന്നതിനായി വേദിയിലേക്ക് വിനയപുരസരം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു. ശാന്തേടത്തിയോടൊപ്പം ഈ ചടങ്ങ് ധന്യമാക്കുവാൻ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു ശ്രീ MSA കുമാർ, ആർക്കിടെക്ട് S. ഗോപകുമാർ, ശ്രീ അജിത് മൂപ്പൻ, ആർക്കിടെക്ട് ടോണി ജോസഫ്, ചെയർമാൻ അവനി ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഓഫ് ഡിസൈൻ, ഡോക്ടർ അനുരാധ ചാറ്റർജി, ഡീൻ അക്കാദമിക്സ് അവനി ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഓഫ് ഡിസൈൻ, ഡോക്ടർ K. A. അൻവർ, Dean Admin Avani Institute of Design, Governing Council members, Architect Vivek PP, Architect Brijesh Shaijal, Architect Vinod Siriak, Architect Naufal C. Hashim.
Thank you everyone. Kindly be seated. I now request Dr. Anuradha Chatterjee, Dean Academics of Avani Institute of Design, Calicut, to address the gathering.
Welcome everyone to DesignCon 2019, hosted by TiCon Kerala in partnership with Avani Institute of Design. The Design Huddle is going to be a busy 2 days which will connect people in the creative industries and from different fields. But above all, the theme of the conference is Dreams for Building the Future. The idea of the future is an outcome of cultural modernity where societies start to be concerned with what the future generations will be inheriting and experiencing. To that end, then, the idea of imagining the future is a selfless act, as it imagines a reality that the person envisioning may possibly not be able to inhabit. Yet as designers and citizens of civil society, we are entrusted with the desire to leave the world a better place than we found it. The idea of the future captures hope and aspiration. It captures openness and a field that is wide open. But it never is. And the visions of the future are never meek, they are bold and brave. Different periods of history have had different imaginations of the future. For the 19th century, it was a technological future. For the 20th century, it was a return to nature. For the times we live in the imaginations are a lot more complex and often conflicting, where a neat compromise between profit and social good, design ideality and social fit, and commercialization and local production and job creation. The idea of the customer versus a civil society is never easy. The times we live in is witnessing climate change and destruction of habitats that are dear to us. Displacement of people from places they've been born in, refugee crisis, for instance, and greater political instability across the globe and the emergence of conservative ideologies across the board. In such troubled times, I hope a gathering like this will deliberate on how we define good design. Good design cannot be design perfection alone. A self-absorbed, self-referential discourse, it cannot be that. It has to be outward looking. However, what makes design capable of being a space where imagining the future is possible is because the field of design, even though we're able to discern specializations, is almost always transdisciplinary, which is saying that it is not just a combination of many disciplines, but that design is able to transcend its own disciplinarity. And even though the event is called DesignCon, it's really a celebration of the creative industry. I highlight the word industry because over the past decades, we've seen a slow but steady shift from a society that is interested in production to a society interested in design and creativity. I witnessed this shift in my own lifetime. As a Dean Academics of the Institute of Design and in my new adopted home of Calicut, I'm extremely proud to have been able to have been part of an event that has been created with such absolute acumen. I wish the delegates a wonderful 2 days and congratulate the conference organizers in advance on their wonderful achievement. Have a lovely day. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Greetings from TiE Kerala. And I specify TiE Kerala because many a time people unfamiliar with our organization mistake between our event and the organization. The organization is TiE Kerala and the event is TiECon. So very glad to be with you and support this initiative, chaired by our charter member, Mr. Gopakumar, and wonderfully executed by Brijesh and his team. Congratulations to all of you. And my first big thanks to all the participation delegates who have turned out into such good numbers. It speaks volumes of your commitment towards design, and this venue itself, it's a big testimony to the impact of design in lives. As I've understood, it's been a big transformation from a low student strength to very, very high student participation thanks to the betterment in infrastructure with the participation of all the local community architects involved. So a big hand to that. So I'll just touch upon, the TiECon aspect as well the event. As my colleague, Mr. M.S.A. Kumar, who's the incumbent president, he explained to you about our organization. Though it's TiE Kerala, we have been largely Kochi-centric, but thanks to this initiative, our flagship event, which is TiECon, annual flagship event, with usually about 1,500 members, which happens in Le Méridien, Kochi. This time, as a prelude to it, we had 4 events, So we had the Agripreneur in Kottayam, which was very successfully conducted on 31st of August. And then we had Women in Business just last week at Cochin. This was 22nd. Again, a huge turnout, sold out event. And now we have this DesignCon. And before that, we also had under leadership of Roshan Kainadi here, we had a Capital Cafe, a pitch fest, which was conducted across 5 towns across Kerala. Trichy, Calicut, Trivandrum, Palakkad, Kottayam, and then the final rounds were held in Cochin in August. And we are very optimistic that our, over about 150 startups, Roshan and his team had curated about 20 and presented to 20 investors across India. And we are highly optimistic of a few getting funded, and it will be revealed during our TiECon. So I encourage all of you to, we have a special offer for the delegates of the mini-cons, like DesignCon and Agripreneur and Women in Business, to avail 25% discount for the main event. So we have a registration desk down. Please do avail the offer and do come and participate in our, conference, which is our flagship event. So once again, I thank all the speakers who have come here and spoke very well and encouraging this conference, and wish you all the best for a very successful 2-day event. Thank you.